A story. Can the cat and Ned's hen. Ned naps in his tent, in his cap. Ned's pet hen sits in the nest. This is Can the cat. Can spits at the hen. Ned can't nap. Ned stands. He spins. Scat, Can, Ned said. The hen isn't in the nest. Hen, said Ned. Ned is sad. The hen is in Ned's cap. Ned can nap.